Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about a lot of question which I keep getting regularly. That is, how much quantity should I buy for trading on intraday? Okay, so that depends actually on your capital. So in this video, I'll be talking how you can calculate how much quantity you are getting for your capital. Okay, this can be done in lot of ways. Okay, I'll be giving you an Excel sheet also in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So I'll be guiding you all that. So that will make you get easily how much quantity you can buy. So that Excel sheet will calculate and tell you how much you can buy it. Okay, and also I'll be telling you the manual way how you can calculate it also. And also if you're using Zerodha and stuff, you get a Zerodha calculator. So in that you can this will calculate and tell you the Zerodha calculator. Okay, so this is only for MIS, that is only for 14 times or something like that, but you won't get it for the bracket order to calculate like this. You won't get automation calculator for that. So I have made an Excel sheet for this. So watch this video till the end. I'll be explaining you about this. Okay, and before I start about this, if you are new to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be for trading purpose, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge, strategies and educational videos like this. Okay, and also if you're having loss in stock market, if you're a beginner to the stock market, if you want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The details are in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video. You guys can visit this blogspot link to know the details about my trading course what I provide. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my clients after taking the course. So many of the people got into my program and now they're earning constantly. So before I show you the earning proof, I just want to show you that what are the things you'll be able to learn after you join my course. Okay, so after you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in the stock market trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique strategies. No indicators is required. I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline which is required. Just by spending 50 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees profit per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course price are very less. You can join us now to earn constantly. So guys, now being by said that, I'll be showing you the earning proof. Okay, so these are all the earning proof by my clients after taking the course with the ledger proof, everything you can see here. Also many client has won the Zerodha 60 days challenge, even that has been displayed here. Okay, and you can see a lot of ledger statements. And also one of my client joined my course and made a profit constantly for 5 months and bought his own new car, even that message has been displayed here. Okay, you can go inside it and watch all the latest earning proof. So go inside this page and go through the last and see all the latest earning proof with the ledgers and see how constantly my clients are earning after joining my course. If you are interested and if you feel motivated, you can definitely join us now to earn constantly. And also guys, here you can see feedback messages from my clients after taking the course. So these are all the feedback messages. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly in the stock market. As I said you, the course prices is also less and you can learn a lot of things in this. I'll be teaching you a good trading system. Okay, how you can make money constantly, accurately and consistently. So guys, these are all the things. Okay, these are all the feedback messages. So now by being said that, I'll be showing you like how to calculate the quantity. Okay, so many people have this confusion, like they just ask me like, I have 10,000 capital, how much quantity can I trade on? So that's not like that. It depends on the stock price what you're trading on. Okay, so if you're using Zerodha for MIS calculation, you can definitely use this link. Okay, that is Zerodha is having their own link in the website, that is margin calculator. So you can go inside it and click on calculate. So just type your available cash and the stock price and click go, and that will calculate the margins for you. Okay, so if you want to do it manually by the calculator or something, you just need a calculator for it. So just open calculator and type your capital. So I'll be giving you this formula. Okay, so that is capital. Let's assume 10,000 is a capital. Capital into margin equals divided by the stock price. So this is a formula guys. Okay, so this is a margin capital, what will happen, and now dividing the stock price. Let's say our stock price is 510 rupees. So this is the capital, this is the quantity what you get for trading. Okay, that is 392 is a quantity what you get. So this is a way of doing manually. So let me tell you the formula again. Capital into margin equals divided by stock price. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate manually. So I know most of the people in the morning when you're trading, you will be in a hurry, so you can't calculate it. So I have done a very easy way for you guys. Okay, so I have done a Excel sheet for you. Okay, so this Excel sheet will make you calculate very easily, quickly and fastly, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so this Excel sheet you can download in the description below of this video. I've given a link, just click on it, this page will open and you can download it. Okay, so here is a thing, this is a capital, this is a margin line, this is a margin capital, this is stock price and quantity. This is very simple. Okay, here in the capital side you just want to enter your capital what you have. For example, let's say I have the capital of 10,000, so just enter 10,000 capital, and whatever broker you're using on, you can just check their website, that will tell you the margin. For example, I'm using Zerodha, so for the bracket order I get 20 margin, so I'm adding 20 here. So in the margin column you can just change whatever the margin you are getting. You just need to change this capital, margin and the stock price. You don't need to change this margin capital. So margin capital is a capital what comes after you multiply it. Okay, so you don't have to touch this, you have to touch only these three things. Okay, so that is your enter your capital and enter the margin what you're getting by your broker and the stock price. Okay, so let's say now the stock price what I'm trading is around 320 something, so that will calculate me the quantity. Okay, just type the stock price and the capital and hit enter. So let's see now. I'll tell you the other example. Let's say now I'm trading on the capital of 25,000. Okay, so just input that 25,000, and let's say my margin is about 10 times. Okay, so just hit 10 and hit enter. Okay, so and here you should enter the stock price. Okay, now the stock price, let's say the stock price is 120 rupees, and click enter. So you get 2083 stocks. This is the quantity what you get for buying. So this is how this calculator works. This is very useful, so I have made it this for you guys. You can download freely in the description below of this video. So hope this is helpful for you guys. Okay, so you can calculate using this very easily. You can download it in your phone also, and you can calculate in within a seconds as I did it. You just need to enter your capital and the stock price and the margin what you get. So marginally we will usually be fixed. Okay, so once you type and leave it, you know it will be the same always. So you just need to change your capital and the stock price, and instantly you will be getting the answer. That's the quantity how you should buy on. So that quantity you can easily enter here and get into your trade. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you guys. Okay, so I'll be making a lot of educational videos like this, so do stay tuned to my videos and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies and educational videos like this. And also, as I said to you, if you're new to a market, if you're in a loss, if you want to recover the loss, if you want to learn to make money constantly in the stock market, you can definitely join my trading course what I provide. That link is in the description below of this video, for in the video, for the details of my course, so you can check all of these things. If you're interested, you can definitely join us. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one.